Over the last few months, I have brought many fan favorites out of the channel's collection while still showcasing some great community engagement, and today's video is no different. However, for today, you guys and gals are going to see something that hasn't been on the channel in quite some time. No, not the M14. Well, actually, yes, the M14 is back after a rather lengthy departure from gameplay, but I'm talking about me being a total goober. Welcome to the Wolfsden, and to all of our new viewers, it is, as always, great to have you here today to witness the collapse of man and my descent into noodle brain territory. As you may know, I recently picked up my first chest rig to use with smaller platforms such as the MP5 or Scorpion Evo, and for heavier ones like the M14 or MSR, where a lighter system is a bit more appropriate. And so far, it has been extremely useful to me, even seeing heavy use and testing over the last American Milsim event, where yours truly was giving off some serious aura, as the kiddos say.
How do you do, fellow kids?
Aside from looking like a total Chad rocking the MP5 SD, and being able to look like I'm running through the favelas chasing down Rojas with Soap, Roach, and Ghost, the chest rig has proven its worth far beyond what I ever expected. And in true fashion, the moment I tried to improve on the system that was working just fine, things went a tad awry. Today we are back at Bing once again on their town field for one of my favorite game modes, Control. For this game, both teams are fighting to keep possession of the green truck at the center of the field, and whichever team holds it for the longest amount of time wins. With me for the 2 rounds we will be playing, I have the iconic M14 EBR made by J&G, which, as I mentioned, has been absent from the channel for quite some time, and I fully intend to fix that issue at the very least today. Bringing the contingency vibes into full swing, it is time to start the first round where the crux of my issues truly begin. And so it begins. As I go for a reload here after running dry on my first mag, you can see that the placard containing my spare mags has grown legs and left to get milk without ever coming back. Which is what one would call less than ideal when you are black on ammunition and all your spare mags got placed under custody of your placard instead of you. Is it just me, or is anyone else fixing to find out why that placard left me in the first place? Well, to better answer that question, let's walk back and out of the fight to locate my missing placard that, thankfully, wasn't too hard to find. And as I'm gathering up my gear, you can see where the issue lies. The new rigging system I used to attach the placard to the harness itself. Now, before anyone starts commenting about using, quote, gear, get results, this was a change I personally made and not the fault of the rig itself. Since the front of the placard has a layer of Velcro on it, I wanted to try rigging up a quick change placard system using the available Velcro space that would allow me to switch between different setups very easily and very quickly, and clearly it needs a little bit of work still. The Velcro sections I used were a bit optimistic in hindsight, and I should have added a bit more to help hold the front panel on. Unfortunately, that is not an option I had in the moment, so for the rest of the game, I pressed the panel back onto my rig, securing it as much as I could before getting back into the round.
trees?
Yeah, so I'm not getting through the brush on them though.
Yeah.
I wish I could tell you where they're at, but I can't.
Good man,
Oh,
don't.
I got shot right in my arm.
Say building deer 12, Chief. Building deer 12. I don't know if he's hit, but there's movement over there.
Okay.
Howdy.
I'll be on the house.
Yep. Say we just had a dude stand up and walk back from it, so.
Half wall right here too.
On the bottom of the ravine, too.
That's part of the half wall.
Probably because you're shooting through the wind. I cleared the bridge one except for I don't know.
With the end of round 1, I have managed to keep track of my mags for now. Although, while it's hard for you guys and gals to see here, I've had to press my placard back up against my harness a few times now, and it's becoming very apparent that it's only a matter of time before it will General Shepherd me yet again. With that said, there wasn't much time to do anything about it unless I wanted to walk off the field to remedy the issue, and well, I wasn't quite done finding out just yet.
All right, we're in. All right, well, we'll figure this out.
Howdy.
Yep. Nomad, your old building. 3.
Copy.
One outside left. One stacked up behind. Other one unknown.
Right over your head.
Yep.
One pushing into the ridge to the half wall left.
All right.
I'm gonna go secure it.
Okay, whatever. Okay.
All today's gonna go.
I got your bag in there.
Got it. He's walking off now. Look.
and surprising absolutely no one in the audience, my front panel falls off in the middle of a gunfight once again, leaving me with the same disappointment as your girlfriend when she realizes it isn't going any deeper. Seeing that this problem is only going to continue and that the game is more or less over, I decide to cut my losses and walk off the field to swap out the chest rig for now. Which will also bring us to the end of today's video. I thank you all for watching till the end, and if you haven't already, I humbly suggest that you consider subscribing. I have even more gameplay coming very soon, most of which will not involve me making poor but otherwise harmless decisions like this. And if you enjoyed, be sure to leave a like and comment letting me know your thoughts on today's gameplay and what you would have done differently. And to all of our EBR stands out there, don't worry, she'll get a redo soon. I recognize that this was not as good of a game as she deserved after not having been on the field for so long. We'll be getting the M14 out here soon again, don't worry. Of course, the best way to support the channel outside of subscribing, commenting, and liking is by heading over to Wolfsden Apparel, where you can get yourself or someone else some badass decal stickers or some comfy shirts. And as always, this has been Wolf, and hope to see you guys next time I hit the field.